In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile visibility to private in Lovable. Achieving privacy in your digital life is really important, and making sure that your personal information is secure can give you peace of mind. Whether you're new to Lovable or you've been using it for a while, it's essential to know how to adjust your profile settings to fit your comfort level. Let's dive right into the process. First, you're going to want to navigate to your Lovable dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you should see an icon that represents your profile. It may look like a small avatar or a picture that you've uploaded. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. This action will open up a menu with a variety of options pertaining to your account. Next, in this menu, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings option. The Settings menu is the control center of your account, where you can manage everything from notifications to appearance preferences. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll be able to see different tabs that focus on specific aspects of your account. After opening the settings, you'll want to look for the section labeled Profile Visibility. This is an important feature because it determines who can see your profile and what information is accessible to others. Sometimes this might be located under a privacy tab or something similarly named, so keep an eye out for those keywords. Click on Profile Visibility to open its options. Here you'll see the current visibility status of your profile, which is likely set to public if you've never changed it before. You will find an option to change it to private. Selecting private ensures that only individuals you approve will be able to view your full profile and the information you've chosen to share. This gives you added control over your online presence and protects your privacy. Once you've selected the private option, make sure to save any changes. Some platforms do this automatically, but it's always a good idea to confirm that your preferences have been updated. You might want to check how your profile appears to others to ensure everything is set to your liking. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile visibility to private in Lovable. By making your profile private, you're taking a proactive step towards guarding your personal information and maintaining a boundary between public and private life. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings as your needs change. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to drop a comment if you found this tutorial helpful. Stay safe and enjoy your